The HLC area chart is one of the cleanest chart styles in TradingView, but almost nobody uses it, so here's why you should and how to. First, go to the top left on TradingView when you open up a chart. Click the chart type icon at the top. Now, usually you're going to be selecting on candles, but let's go to HLC area. After you click it, your screen will look exactly like mine. So the chart is now showing you three things: a line for the closing price, which is the dark blue, and a shaded area representing the range between the high and the low of each period. So this is super useful because it's stripping out the open price, which typically doesn't matter as much for swing and position traders, and you can see the close, which is arguably the most important price, plus the range, which tells you volatility without the visual noise of full candles. Now it's important to note that this HLC area chart is best for longer time frames, such as the weekly and monthly. As you can see, I'm on the weekly right now, because say on a 5-year weekly chart, the HLC view will show you the trend clearly and gives you a sense of volatility through the shaded zones without giving you like thousands of candles that you have to parse through. So if you are day trading or doing some short-term analysis, it's probably best not to use it. If you want to change how it looks, simply double click on it. Then you can go and change the colors or even uncheck some areas and change the fill right here. Have a great day, guys.